Namaskar to all my lovely students. So today's lecture about your revised syllabus 2020 and 21. As you know that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, CBSE deleted the 30% course of the all classes. So in the sequence, I am telling the updated syllabus of your session 2020 and 21. So listen carefully, no confusion should be there. Now first I am starting with the geography. There are 6 chapters in your geography book. First is resources, second is land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife. This both chapters we have done. Chapter 3 is mineral and power resources. Chapter 4 is agriculture. Chapter 5 is industries and chapter 6 is human resources. So we have deducted the chapter number 6 from your syllabus. So clear mention here deleted chapter name. So chapter 6 has been deleted from your syllabus. One more thing, I am explaining you all chapters we will explain you either is syllabus or it is the deleted, but this chapter which we have deleted, they are not part of your examination only. So now updated syllabus is chapter number 1 resources, chapter number 2 land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife, chapter 3 mineral and power resources, chapter 4 agriculture and chapter 5 industry. So how many chapters are coming is total chapter is coming is 5. Only 5 chapters we will study in the geography. Now next subject is civics, about the civics. In civics book there are 10 chapters you can see in your book index NCERT. So we have deducted the 3 chapters from this 10 chapters. Chapter number 4 understanding law is deleted. Chapter number 8 comforting marginalization is deleted. Chapter number 10 law and social justice. So 3 chapters will be not part of your examination. We will explain all chapters to you, but these 3 chapters is not the part of your examination. So now updated syllabus is total chapter 7. How many chapters are coming? 7 chapter. Chapter number 1 Indian Constitution, chapter number 2 understanding secularism, chapter 3 Parliament, chapter number 5 judiciary, chapter number 6 understanding our criminal system, chapter number 7 understanding marginalizations and chapter number 9 public facility. So earlier there will be 10 chapter. Now updated syllabus is total chapter 7. 3 chapter we have reduced, chapter number 4, chapter number 8 and chapter number 10 is deleted from your syllabus. I think I am very much clear. So keep that mind, these 3 chapters is not part of your syllabus. Now next is about the history. Many students are confused about the history just because in previous we have done chapter number 1 and after that we have done chapter number 6. So there is a reason. In the previous session there will be 2 books for history, history part 1 and history part 2. So in this sequence we will consider, in this session you have got the 1 book and there are total chapter is 10. So we will consider chapter 1 to 5 is the part 1 and chapter 6 to 10 is part 2. So we have done chapter number 1, and just the running chapter is from Trad to Territories, and chapter 6 we have done. So in the according new current syllabus, we have deleted the 3 chapter from this book. Chapter number 4, tribal Dikus and vision of golden age, is deleted. Chapter number 7, civilizing the native and educating the nation, is deleted. And chapter number 10, India after independence. So 3 chapters we have deleted, and current chapter is chapter number 1, chapter number 2, chapter number 3, then 5, 6, 8, 9 and 10. Total chapters, chapter 10 is deleted, so chapter number 9. So total chapter is 7. One more thing, whatever we are doing in the current syllabus, keep that mind. All topics which we have deleted, we will give the explanations of that chapter also. Fine, but these chapters will be not part of your assessment and is not part of your examination. Clear? Again, about the geography, total chapter is 5, civics total chapter 7, and history total chapter 7. So keep that mind. You can mark in your book which chapter is deleted. I have mentioned all things in this PDF, in this video, very clearly. Now next is the about your PT1 syllabus. So as you know that PT1 is going to start from 5th August, and there will be MCQs from questions. You will get the 40 MCQs, and first I am explaining the syllabus of PT1. History, chapter number 1, how, when and where. Chapter 6, weavers, iron smelter and industries. It means part 1 and part 2 both are coming one chapter. Civics, chapter number 1, the Indian Constitution, and geography, chapter number 1, resources. Total 4 chapters I have given in the PT1 syllabus. All questions come into the MCQs form. Total question will come 40 questions we are giving, so you can justify that each chapters has include the 10 questions, 10 from chapter number 1 and chapter number 6, and then civics and then geography. So read the questions carefully when you attempt your questions. Read it, don't be hurry to mark the question. And if you have not done any chapter or any work in this 4th chapter which are coming in the PT1 syllabus, so please complete your work. And if you have any query regarding to the PT1 syllabus or any doubt, you can ask me. So students, best of luck for your PT1 exams, and keep learning, and watch this video carefully about the updated syllabus and about the PT1 syllabus. Thank you, students.